Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "Your store is not ready to accept payments" error using the easy steps. This is a very common issue that locks your checkout window screen and stops your buyers from entering their card details, but we can clear this up quickly by checking a few main settings pages inside your profile dashboard. Step 1. Choose and activate an official live store plan. The first step is to open your master account panel settings and make sure your storefront is not running on a locked testing plan. Move your mouse cursor down to the lower left corner of your monitor screen. Click on the Settings gear button, select the option labeled Plan from the menu layout, and look at your active tier block. If you are still on a free testing tier, click the button that says Choose Plan, select a basic tier option using your keyboard keys, and enter your billing details to confirm your choice. Because the checkout platform engine completely disables financial processing lanes while your account is marked as a free test room, even if you set up your payment buttons perfectly, the cart system will print an error message on your display screen until you pick an official plan sheet, unlocking your gateway paths. Step 2. Turn off the online storefront visitor password wall. The second step is to enter your online store preferences and remove the public security barrier so outside buyers can access your checkout rows. Exit your settings panel, look at your left sidebar list layout, click on Online Store, choose the sub-option named Preferences, and scroll down the rows until you find the section called Restrict Store Access. Move your mouse marker to the checkbox labeled Enable Password, click it to uncheck the box flat against your view, and click the Save button at the top row of your screen canvas workspace. Because keeping your store password wall active keeps your digital checkout desk in a hidden preview mode, the central processing servers will refuse to authorize live buyer cards while the website is locked away from the public web. Dropping this wall tells the main platform that your retail site is officially open for business. Step 3. Complete your provider identity verification and settings profiles. The third step is to return to your main settings panel and verify that your payment gateway has all your required personal business details filed correctly. Click your Settings gear icon again, select the row path labeled Payments, find your primary merchant section at the top. Read down the configuration lines on your screen canvas rows to see if the system is holding a red warning alert and type in your missing address lines or tax identity numbers. Because banking compliance rules require the system to verify who you are before letting you collect customer money, if you leave your profile incomplete or skip the validation steps, the network will put an immediate freeze on your payment box, triggering the error to protect buyers from unverified storefronts. And that's it. To fix "Your store is not ready to accept payments" error, you first open your settings panel and choose an official live store plan on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the Online Store Preferences to toggle off the visitor password wall to open your site to the public on your screen canvas rows. Then, you go to the Payment section to complete your provider identity profile and type in your missing details inside your view window. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.